So the fuck out.
So you're saying that if I eat these cakes, I won't fart?
You will not fart.
I will not fart anymore.
I can guarantee it.
Like anymore.
Like literally personally guarantee it. I'm not even gonna tell you how I'm gonna personally guarantee that you won't fart, but when it comes to the guaranteeing part, it might get interesting.
Do you want me to announce that we're going to be doing war cake demos for everyone in the gym?
Come
and that's
taste
free
test.
samples.
Come taste test after your workout.
All right, guys. Hey, welcome to the Warehouse channel again on YouTube. I'm super fortunate, Adam Steele here, and I have Yasmin Munoz with me, the owner and creator founder of Gangs Gang with her husband, Anthony, and as well as one of our awesome coaches and trainers and pros here at the Warehouse. She came up with something at our last location that just took off and became super amazing, and we call them the War Cakes. And we just discovered recently that made best with our Mutant ISO Surge high quality protein, she has found a awesome formula to come up with her amazing delicacy for pre and or post workout.
And they're also macro friendly.
Yes, they are. Why don't you tell us about it? What do you think?
So hey guys, my name is Yasmin, like Adam said, and
Yep.
I kind of came up with this war cake here because I was on prep and I wanted to kind of come up with a free macro-friendly cake that I could have during my prep. So these are completely clean. They have absolutely no added sugars. Everything in them are natural sugars. And if you are on prep, then you're more than likely able to have these. Now, if you're a little bit like 4 weeks out, then I highly wouldn't recommend it. But other than that, these are completely macro friendly, and they're probably the cleanest protein cakes out there, in my opinion.
And they're so ridiculously good. And they're not like, now don't get me wrong, I love protein donuts that, you know, from different companies here in town and like locals just as much as the next person, but when it comes to the actual value of the macronutrients and like the whole food in them, they're a cheat snack, you know what I mean? It's like, might as well just have a candy bar. And so when it comes down to that, they're really sweet. When I wanted something, the War Cakes just kind of filled that like not too rich, not too sweet, but super tasty, and also at 310 calories and like the density, you feel like you're actually, like you said, with the bread, that kind of carb satisfaction, you feel like you're eating something substantial, which is excellent.
Yes, and it's very filling. You'd be surprised. You'd be very filled after one of them. Sometimes even half of it would do. So you just gotta come try them, you guys. They're so delicious. All right, so when it comes to our War Cakes here, the main flavor is depending on the protein that we're using. So specifically for this one, we use the strawberry milkshake of Mutant, and so that's the main flavor. The toppings are the only things that change here and there. So like this one has a little bit of coconut on top of it. Some people don't like coconut, so it's not something that I'll put on all of them. This one here has a little bit of cookie crumbs with a little bit of pink frosting. All of that is accounted for in the macros as well. But if you ever wanted to order something specifically on let's say a personal order, you can let me know what you'd like to add on top of it, and that would be completely personalized to you.
And we'll have that link on the War Cakes package.
Yes. This one right here was made out of the peanut butter chocolate. Again, we add coconut to one of them and the other one doesn't have coconut. So the toppings are going to be changing here and there, but these are the toppings that we had in stock for now.
You can tell like it's supposed to be healthy and stuff like that. It still tastes pretty good. It's really good dessert. Yeah.
Not bad at all, and that's coming straight from the horse's mouth because this man's a monster.
I love it.
Yeah. We got members coming in and doing the taste test right now with the War Cakes that Yasmin has created for the Warehouse. We're super excited. Right with me, I have Alonzo, who's not only one of our local members and awesome homies here, but he's also one of the founding members of the Impetus Media Group. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what you think, bro. Try anyone you want. All right, he's going in hot for the peanut butter chocolate with the coconut. Smells it, takes it in. Test the waters. Test it a second time. Is he ready to dive in? Let's see. And go. All in. Is it religious? A spiritual experience? A overall overwhelming palate of masticating taste of knowledge? Power to the people. Ooh, is there a secondary? There it is. That second wave of flavor hitting hard. Satisfaction. What do you think? You heard it here first, folks. Amazing. I don't even know what to say. Christ on a cross. Okay. So here, let's not face the camera. Okay, so we have strawberry milkshake, and we also have peanut butter chocolate, with or without the coconut. What do you prefer?
Strawberry with the coconut.
With the coconut? Okay, here, let me hook you up. Choose your weapon. Okay, you ready? Yeah. All right, let's go in for it.
3, 2, 1. She went for the biggest one, guys. That's the way to do it. If it's going to be a free sample.
Now, mind you, it's a cake. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Send it. Send
Okay,
it.
here,
Full
I'll try
send.
with the coconut.
I'm sorry. What did you say?
This is bomb.
Oh my God. All right, that's official. BOMB. Bomb.
1, 2, 3.
You heard it here first, folks. All right. Yasmin made the work cakes. They came in hot. They came in delicious. They came in amazing.
I just want to say thank you guys for coming in and checking this out. And I hope that you guys come on in and actually try them because you will be completely amazed. Just like everyone else here was.
Lactose free, and I heard they are gluten free.
What?
Get out of town.
What? Totally gluten free, lactose free.
Seriously, gluten free. Tell everyone.
Yes.
Tell your mom.
Tell your dad.
Hide your kids. Hide your wife. They're gluten free.
I don't know why we're hiding them, but you should tell them as well.
That actually, yeah, that makes more sense. All right, and we'd also like to thank our sponsor, Mutant, for giving us these awesome proteins that we have here in Warehouse for sale for your benefit. Also lactose and gluten free. Mutant is amazing. I like Mutant, and we sell them and use them in the work cakes. Yeah, check them out. Tell me what you think.
Not bad.
Tell me they're not amazing.
That's really good.
Yeah, dude. Jesus turned water into wine. Yasmin turned cake into protein, or protein into cake. That one.
Flavor's good. It's not all
Yeah.
chalky either.
This is the strawberry milkshake.
Super good. Yeah.
They're really good. Like honestly,
This is like donut.
yeah.
But it's not
like
too
a
rich, right?
It's like, it's not too much.
Yeah. That was the biggest thing I like because I would go to get the protein donuts, the cook like the crumble donuts or
Yeah.
whatever, and then like TG, but they're so fucking sweet. Like I'd eat one, I'm like, damn it, it's ruined my
Right?
tongue.
She's got a sweet tooth. She's going with the.
Yeah.
The face
So
she
just
makes,
so you
like,
know,
hold
we're
up.
selling them right there.
Wait a
and the
second,
link-
take
and
real
the-
quick.
and the checkout's right there. Do you remember the war cakes?
That's why I made them.
Bro,
They're
just put it in your mouth.
macro-friendly. Trust me. Just put it in your mouth.
Just put it in your mouth.
Macro friendly, my friend. You'll lose weight on these pre or post workout. You can eat pre or post workout, you'll be fine.
She knows.
I know she knows.
So fucking good, right? Did you hear? They're gluten free. Did you hear? They're lactose free. If you want that, if you want cake,
You gotta show her cakes and her legs.
she bakes cake. Oh, yes, here. Ready?
Do I have a nice little?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, or we'll find you.
What he said.
Yeah.
We ain't joking.
I have a certain particular set of skills over a long, unique career I've gathered in my lifetime. And so if you do not like and subscribe, I will find you.
And cut.
Yeah. And by the way, they're gluten free. Oh, is that not what you wanted me to do?
You wanted to go like
Oh, well, you're so far away. What do you want me
So
to
like
fall
and
in the work in?
subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Fuck you.
All right. That's